Hello kids, welcome back to channel. Today we learn alphabets and numbers. Kids, colors name. Blue color, blue color. Red color, red color. Green color, green color. Brown color, brown color. Black color, black color. Yellow color, yellow color. Kids, now we coloring alphabets and numbers. Kids, first we draw A. A for apple, A for aeroplane. And use blue color. Kids, again use blue color and draw B. B for ball, B for bat. Kids, again use blue color and draw C. C for cat, C for car. A for apple, A for aeroplane. B for ball, B for bat. C for cat, C for car. Kids, now draw D. D for dog, D for doll. And use red color. Red color. E for egg, E for elephant. Kids, again use red color and draw F. F for fish, F for fan. D for dog, D for doll. E for egg, E for elephant. F for fish, F for fan. Kids, now draw G. G for God, G for glass. H for hand, H for helicopter. Kids, again use green color and draw I. I for ice, I for ice cream. G for God, G for jewel. H for hand, H for helicopter. I for ice, I for ice cream. Kids, now draw J for joker, J for jackfruit. And use brown color. Brown color. K for kite, K for king. L for lion. J for joker, J for jackfruit. K for kite, K for king. L for lion. Kids now draw M for moon, and use black color. N for nose, N for nest. Kids again use black color and draw O for orange. M for moon. N for nose. O for orange. Kids now draw P for parrot, P for penguin, and use yellow color. Q for queen. P for parrot, P for penguin. Q for queen. R for rose, R for rice. S for sun, S for snake. T for teacher, T for tiger. U for umbrella. V for vanilla. W for wolf. X for X-ray. Y for yak. Z for zebra, Z for zoo. Kids now coloring numbers, and first you draw 1 and use blue color. O N E 1. 2 T W O 2. 3 T H R W E 3. 4 F O U R 4. Kids now draw 5 and use red color. F I V E 5. 6 S I X 6. 7 S E V E N 7. 8 E I G H T 8. Kids now draw 9. The numbers of 9 and use green color. N I N E 9. 10 T E N 10. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.